Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to create Windows 11 installation media using a USB flash drive. So let's open up a browser and in the Google search simply type Windows 11 download. When you press enter, you'll get the link to Windows 11 download page on the Microsoft website. So click on that. I have already opened that page. I'll give you guys a link in the description. So you will see something like this. The first option is Windows 11 installation assistant, but since we are creating a USB installation media, so we'll click on the second option which says create Windows 11 installation media. So click on download now and a media creation tool will be downloaded. So click on that down arrow and open it. Click on yes. So you will see a wizard like this. Please accept license and agreement. It will show you the language and edition. So it is Windows 11 and the language is English, United States. You can put a check in the box if you see this. Use the recommended options for this PC and click next. So we are not downloading an ISO file, we are creating a USB installation media. So the first option is already checked. Make sure you have that option selected and click next. Now I have two drives connected. One is my external hard drive, that is Toshiba, and the second one is my flash drive, but that is not formatted. I mean, it already has something on it. So what we can do, we can first format that. So let's open File Explorer and simply click on this PC. So that is my flash drive. It has Windows 10 set up on it. I'll simply right click on it and we'll click on format. Make sure you have NTFS file system selected over here and then put a check in the box that says quick format and click on start. Click on OK. Okay, our flash drive is formatted. We can close this. Now you see it has nothing in it. So I'll close the File Explorer and we'll click on the second option because that is the flash drive. And click next. So it has started downloading Windows 11. You will have to just follow the on-screen instructions. So just wait till it completes. Well, the process has been completed. It says your USB flash drive is ready. We can click on finish. So that's how we can create an installation media for Windows 11, which can be used to install a fresh copy of Windows 11. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. You have a great day. Bye bye.